Congratulations on choosing to pursue your MBA. This means you're on your way to becoming a business leader. Regardless of the business career path you go down, an accounting concentration is going to be an excellent choice because, as I'm sure you've heard before, accounting is the language of business. At a broad level, accounting is the process of measuring, summarizing, and communicating business transactions. If you think about what that means for a bit, it means that accounting is a lot more than just crunching numbers. Rather, it means no matter what industry or leadership position or role you're in, you're going to be using accounting information to help you make decisions. That means if ever in the future you want to pivot into another position or industry, having a concentration in accounting will give you greater flexibility to do that. Beyond greater career flexibility, having an accounting background means you better be able to understand the assumptions and processes underlying the information you're using. This will help you to use or to focus on the key information you need, develop more useful insights, and gain better perspectives. That means you'll be making better decisions, which helps you move up the industry ladder faster, or it'll make your own business more efficient and profitable. Along these lines, having a concentration in accounting gives you the opportunity to learn about the several areas of accounting and how these areas are tied together. For example, you can learn about financial accounting, or you'll understand how professional judgment and a bunch of other factors affect the numbers being reported. And as a result of that, you'll better understand the limitations of the information you're given and how you can best utilize it. You can take classes in cost or managerial accounting. In these classes, you'll learn how to identify the key drivers of different revenues and costs and how to make your processes more efficient to increase the bottom line. Within accounting information systems courses, you'll gain a better understanding of information security. You'll also learn about big data analytics, develop your analytical skills, and this is something that all companies are looking for. You'll have the opportunity to learn how to use several popular software technologies used by many firms, including Fortune 500s. Within our auditing classes, you can learn more about internal and external auditing. Within the external side, you learn how auditors provide reasonable assurance that the financial statements are free of material misstatements. Within the internal audit side, you'll learn more about internal controls and how to ultimately improve the effectiveness and efficiency of your firm's operations. And last but not least, in tax classes, you learn about the different tax operations and tax aspects of different business entities, which can help you minimize the taxes that you're paying. So as you can hopefully see, accounting covers vital topics that can be used in all businesses and industry positions. Now, as an MBA graduate, you could choose one of the more typical career paths. So you can become a management consultant, a budget analyst, a financial manager advisor, a financial analyst, or even a supply chain or operations manager. With a concentration in accounting, though, you could choose a more traditional career path where having your MBA can help you move up that hierarchy much quicker. An advantage of being able to choose an accounting career path is that we've had a very stable job environment for decades, and it's going to stay that way for at least the next few decades because CPAs are going to be retiring much faster than can be replaced. So within accounting career path, you could choose to be, say, an auditor or work in tax compliance consulting or provide general business consulting or advisory services at, say, a public CPA firm. You could also choose to work in the industry or a private firm as a cost accountant, where you help with creating the company's budgets, creating forecasts, and controlling a company's costs. You could also be an internal auditor, where you help to ensure the company's complying with rules and regulations, and again, where you'll just learn the ins and outs of a company and improve the efficiency and effectiveness of their operations. And I mentioned internal auditing because if you are in fact interested in holding an executive or management position, a fantastic place to start is in internal auditing. About 33% of all companies and over 60% of the Fortune 500s use the internal audit function as a management training ground. So they hire from within and they hire people in internal audit. So in sum, with a kind of concentration, you have a diverse range of careers you can choose from. But in the end, regardless of what industry or path you choose, having an accounting background is something that will always benefit you greatly.